Welcome to Kenza Byte. In this video, we are going to talk about what is Telegram marketing, Telegram marketing strategies, and tools to grow our Telegram channel and groups. Watch till the end. I am gonna reveal the best tools and method to grow faster on Telegram with targeted audience. Telegram is a highly effective marketing platform for selling products online, engaging customers, and driving a lot of traffic. More traffic is equal to more money. Telegram has 800 million monthly active users and has been downloaded more than 2 billion times in total. Even Russian and Chinese peoples uses Telegram as well. The whole world uses Telegram for marketing. Almost all kind of their businesses. Businesses use Telegram to connect with their audience, share updates, offer customer support, and create communities around their brand. There are two ways for Telegram marketing. One is Telegram marketing using channels. Another second way is Telegram marketing using groups. Telegram channel has a lot of limitation and restrictions. It's hard to grow with targeted members in Telegram channels, but in Telegram groups, you can add targeted members from other groups to your own group. So I will talk in another video about how to grow Telegram channel and marketing related Telegram channels. In this video I am mainly talking about Telegram groups, difference between Telegram group and channel explained already, and the link is available in description. So first understand the difference between them. Now I assume that you already know difference. Let's begin the video. To grow Telegram groups with targeted audience, there are mainly 4 ways, or you can say the 4 strategies. And those 4 strategies are: 1. Telegram targeted member adding. 2. Telegram personal message sending. 3. Telegram group shilling. 4. Telegram naturally growth. I will explain all these methods in various videos with complete practical tutorials. As your mentor, I will teach you the real secrets of Telegram marketing that most people don't discuss. Now in this video let me explain about Telegram targeted member adding strategy. 1. What is Telegram targeted member adding? Telegram targeted member adding is a way of adding targeted members from someone else groups that may be your business competitor, so his customers add into your groups. For doing this operations, we required a tool called Telegram Member Adder that has both features like Telegram scraping and Telegram adding. So what is Telegram scraper? The Telegram scraper is used to collect the members' details from any targeted public and private Telegram groups. It collects user information like user ID and usernames and automatically saves those all members' details into a file, and this file will be used while member adding. So what is Telegram Adder? The adder function will add those scraped members into your own group. Let me explain with example. So there is a Forex related group called ABC Forex, and they have 20,000 members in their group. And you also have a Forex group called My Forex Group, but now your group has 0 members, and you want to move those ABC Forex groups members into your one group, because those peoples are interested in Forex stuff. So those will be beneficial for your business purpose. So then you will use Telegram Scraper to collect those all members' usernames, and after scraping members, you will need to use Adder feature to add those all members into your own group called My Forex Group. This is possible using our Telegram Scraper and Adder tool. So now how to get the Telegram Scraper and Adder. These tools are not free, of course. It's all premium tools because they help you grow group members with a targeted audience, and these are specially designed for targeted members adding. You can get our Telegram member adding tool from the Kenza Byte official website. We will provide more videos on how to use it properly. The tool has many features that will be very helpful in growing targeted members in your groups. Now I assume you already own the Telegram Adder tool. Now let's proceed the next step. The Telegram only allows maximum 50 members adding into a group from one account in a day. So if you have, for example, 10 Telegram accounts, you can add 50 members from all those accounts. That is total 500 members, and can reuse today the Telegram accounts again after 24 hours. So here I just use 10 accounts as example. You can use 50 or 100 or as much as you want. Unlimited Telegram accounts, that's up to you. And the best part is you can run all multiple Telegram accounts at same time. So adding from all accounts can be done in short time. So this will save you a lot of time. Now your question may be, how to get more Telegram accounts right? There are a lot of websites which offers number selling. They provide number and login code, so you can create more accounts. You can search on Google and YouTube about it. How to create unlimited Telegram accounts and you will get some ways. So you will get some idea related. And even from some websites you can get ready-made Telegram accounts. So now I assume you have Telegram member adder tool and multiple Telegram accounts. Now you may have questions like how to use Telegram member adder tool, how to use scraper and adder, how to log in multiple Telegram accounts with member adder tool, how to scrape our competitors' group's members, how to add them into our own group, etc. We will explain everything in our upcoming video tutorials. Step by step, all videos will be added to a Telegram marketing course playlist. This will help you go from beginner to professional in the field of Telegram marketing. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching Kenza Byte.